Hello guys, today we are going to show you how to connect OBD dongle. Where do you find the OBD dongle's port? Here. The powerful Android system version. Bluetooth. You need to search Bluetooth device here. OBD dongle. Connect it. Now you can see OBD dongle is connected. This is OBD dongle APK. Install it. You can see the car icon is flashing. It means that the data is transferring. Now the icon is stop flashing. You can see the data is transferred over. This is OBD dongle settings. You can see OBD dongle ID. This ID is unique.
就这样子的，然后 here 这个 ID， 然后进入 OBD， 对吧？可以的。然后
熄火。
然后我们要跟客户要说一个问题，就比如说我们在
When you turn off the car
ACC 的情况下，发动机没有启动的情况
on
下
ACC stay,
对吧？然后这里的数据就是空的，
no data here,
对吧？然后
and you can see the icon is black. The car icon.
然后我们再启动啊。
Start the engine now.
然后这个时候呢，我们需要做的一件
What to
事
do next if it doesn't work? Clear data here. You can see the car icon is flashing now. When the car icon is no longer flashing, it means the data is transferred. You can see data is here.